as log x by x. Let us find dy by dx by quotient rule. Dy by dx will be denominator, derivative of numerator minus numerator function into derivative of denominator function divided by denominator square. So what we get here, x into 1 by x minus log x by x square. So we got dy by dx is equal to 1 minus log x by x square. Now what do we mean by d2y by dx square? So d by dx of dy by dx is nothing but d2y by dx square. The meaning is d by dx to operated 2 times. So d by dx is an operator which operates 2 times. Which operates 2 times. Which operates 2 times. So now we have to find d2y by dx square. As we know dy by dx. dy by dx is dy by dx equal to 1 minus log x by x square. So what is d2y by dx square? d by dx of dy by dx, which is equal to d by dx of 1 minus log x by x square. Again we apply quotient rule. What we get? X square d by dx of 1 minus log x minus 1 minus log x into d by dx of x square whole divided by x square whole square. This will lead you x square into minus 1 by x minus 1 minus log x into 2x whole divided by x to the power 4. We get minus x minus 2x plus 2x log x whole divided by x to the power 4. This can be simplified as 2 log x minus 3 by x cube is d2y by dx square. Now what is the mathematical meaning of d2y by dx square? Suppose I take a line. This is x and on y-axis we write dy by dx and we draw some graph. So slope of this graph is nothing but d2y by dx square. As we studied in physics also, the slope of the curve formed by x-axis and y-axis, on y-axis y coordinate dy by dx, you collect all the points of x comma dy by dx, you will get graph. So any point will be x comma dy by dx. We collect all those points, we get a curve. The slope of that curve is nothing but d2y by dx square. So d by dx is an operator.